Hey everyone, how's it going? Bob here, and thank you for joining me for this 360 video walkthrough tour of, if you all look around here, we are here at the abandoned train tunnel located in Clinton, Massachusetts, or otherwise also known as the haunted abandoned train tunnel in Clinton, Massachusetts. And a couple of interesting things about this tunnel. First of all, it is said, I saw online, that this tunnel actually stretches about 1,110 feet long. And it also gives off the illusion that the farther you walk into it, the other side gets farther and farther away from you. And you know what? It is true, because I myself have been in this tunnel before, and the ending does get farther away from you. But you're all about to join me on a video walkthrough 360 as we're going to check out the inside of the tunnel. We will make it to the other side, and we will be able to check that out. But before we go in there, a little history about this tunnel and why it's here. Here we see the Wachusett Reservoir, also resting up against the Wachusett Dam. Now, why is this here? Well, back in the late 1800s, the city of Boston needed clean water, and so in 1895, the state of Massachusetts authorized the damming of the Nashua River, with construction beginning in 1897. But in order to do this, there were houses, factories, churches, schools, and other establishments that had to be moved, or else they would be flooded by the water. Another thing that also had to be moved was the cemetery. Yep, that's right, corpses had to be dug up and moved to a new location. And now here we see the dam from the other side. Yep, go ahead, take a look at that thing. Pretty big, huh? The dam stands about 205 feet tall and 965 feet long. Construction of the dam was completed in 1905. But now you may be wondering, what does this have to do with the abandoned tunnel? Well, it turns out another thing that would have been affected by the reservoir was train tracks. Yep, the Central Mass Railroad Company at the time would have had 7 miles of its track underwater. So that brings us down to here now. Not too far from the dam, here we see what's left of where a trestle used to stand. The railroad company built a train bridge over the river. The train went over the trestle, up over through where all those trees are, up over a main road, and up to a hill that had a tunnel weight blown through it. And that tunnel is what is now the abandoned train tunnel. But why did this tunnel become abandoned? Well, back in 1893, the Central Mass Railroad Company filed for bankruptcy, and over the years, the company tried to work things out, but it just wasn't happening. The last train to come passing through this tunnel was in 1958, and the trestle remained standing over the Nashua River until roughly around 1974-1975. However, going back talking about that cemetery that had to be moved, do you think maybe it's possible that some of the people that were buried there, maybe that their ghostly spirits could be haunting that tunnel? That is the question, but now let us take a 360 video walkthrough of the tunnel. Here we go. And remember everyone, this is a 360 video, so look all around. Check out everything around you, including the graffiti artwork here. Check this all out. Pretty interesting stuff, huh? And just check out this place. This is something, isn't it? Now it is going to get darker the more we get in, and watch for as the other side, it looks like it's going to get farther away from us. So pretty interesting place. Check out the archway here. Hopefully you're all able to see this well enough too. Check that out. And so check it out right here, as you'll see, for whatever reason, we don't know why, they stopped construction of the archway here. See how it just goes up and over, and then on the other side, it just looks like it turns into a cave. So, but I don't know, pretty interesting. Yeah, see all that, check that out. And now we will venture off into the cave-looking portion of this tunnel. Look at that. Hopefully my flashlight's giving you all enough light to see around here too. This place is kind of eerie. Kind of creepy in a way, but really, really cool. And you just hear all the sounds around. The dripping water, or sounds like, you know, rocks are falling or something. I got my camera on my selfie stick, and I'm trying not to get the flashlight into there. I don't want to blind you all. Kind of dark. So hopefully, again, you all can see well. Yeah, just check it out. Look all around. Check it out. The other side still kind of looks like it's still pretty far away, but we're getting closer to it. We're getting close. We're almost there. I've already been in this tunnel a couple times. I've already walked through it, but still, every time I walk through it, it's such a wild experience. It's just really, really cool. It's like it's just yeah, it's crazy. And then up ahead, there's going to be a big tunnel we're going to have to make our way around, but no worries. That shouldn't be too hard to do. And at this point, I don't think I don't need my flashlight anymore. I'll just give you all another glimpse. Yep, and before we walk completely out of the tunnel, just yeah, check out the site. Just look all around, check it out. Now the beginning looks like it's farther away from us now. Yeah, check out that. Oh, it looks like a cave. Yeah, check that site out. Again, we don't know why they stopped with the archway of the tunnel all the way over there. We don't know why it stayed like this, but I'm sure they got their reasons. But yeah, just imagine just being on a train passing through here. Look at that. And as far as paranormal wise goes, I've heard a couple stories from some locals who claim that they haven't been in this tunnel for a long time, because I guess one person evidently said that they were in here a long time ago and said it looked like that they were as they were making their way towards the middle of the tunnel, they were being approached by what appeared to be a very tall, dark-looking figure, and they just completely bolted out of the tunnel, and they said that they've never been back. So that's pretty interesting. Yep, let's make our way to the other side here, and I'll show you all the other side of the tunnel. No, the outside of it. Alright, let's make our way around this big puddle here. Alright. That wasn't so bad now, was it? And I'm figuring that those cones are there just to warn people about the big puddle and all the mud here. And there's another an archway over there. Which looks like the train passed under that too, but just a main road up on top of that. But we'll go over here just for now. So yeah, that's the abandoned train tunnel in Clinton, Massachusetts, or again, as other people called, the haunted abandoned train tunnel of Clinton, Massachusetts. Yep, and there's the other side. We made it. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that trip. Hopefully you all enjoyed that 360 walk through the tunnel, and hopefully that was a fun experience for you all. Hopefully you found that kind of creepy and eerie, but fun. And yeah, just check that out up there. And yeah, hopefully I'll try to do some more scouting out, try to find some more abandoned places or whatnot to find, discover, and explore. And yeah, hopefully more videos will be coming along the way. And until then, I will see